Hey guys, today I will show you how to buy crypto on the Kraken Pro mobile application. So first what you need to do is open the Kraken Pro app. When you log in with a new account, you'll see the main layout. From here, go to your portfolio in the bottom right corner. There you'll find an option that says fund your account to trade. Tap on it to continue. Now you'll see two different choices, deposit crypto or deposit fiat. If you already own cryptocurrency elsewhere and want to transfer it into Kraken, select deposit crypto. Choose the coin you want, for example USDT, and then pick the network you'd like to use, such as Ethereum. Kraken will then generate a deposit address for you. Simply go to the wallet where you hold USDT, select the Ethereum network and send it to the address provided. If you'd rather use regular money, select deposit fiat. Kraken supports deposits in euros or Kraken free credit. Choose euros, then add a bank account. You can use either your own account or a joint account. Kraken will show you their bank details and you'll need to make a transfer from your banking app. Once you've sent the money, return to Kraken Pro and tap I made the deposit. When the funds arrive, Kraken will credit your account and you can use the balance to purchase crypto directly in the app. It's that simple to get started with buying cryptocurrency on Kraken Pro. Thanks for watching.